What if I told you that you could build a significant, life-changing income stream without quitting your day job? And what if I told you it's not about finding 20, 30, 40 extra hours in your week to make it happen? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, we're all so used to the idea of that to make more money, you need to work more hours. It's the classic trading time for money trade, right? But that's exactly what I want to talk to you about today because it's a huge misconception, especially when it comes to real estate investing. For years, I've been talking to people just like you who work full-time jobs, W-2s, have jobs, has busy lives, who are curious about investing in multifamily and commercial real estate. And the number one question I get all the time, right, from folks just like you, that's on their mind is, how much time do I really need to do this? So today, I'm going to give you the real answer, and it's probably not what you think it is. Let's get started. All right, let's start right here. I get this question all the time. The question is, Peter, I would like to buy and close on my first commercial deal in 6 months. And my answer is this: do not focus on clock time, 5 or even 50 hours. Don't focus on that. Instead, focus on calendar time. Because in real life, commercial real estate operates this way. It operates off of deadlines. It operates off of contracts, and it operates also off of closing dates. So the good news is if you are a W-2 employee, okay, if this is you, guess what? The good news is that commercial real estate can be one of the highest paying opportunities for you, right? Because you can work commercial real estate before work, lunchtime, during a break, after work, on the weekends, okay? So your success is not dependent upon putting in 5 hours or 50 hours, okay? Your success is going to be based upon taking consistent, smart actions over a period of time. So I want you to make this big shift. The shift is, don't pay attention to clock time. Pay attention to taking actions based upon calendar time. I'm going to explain to you right now what I mean by calendar time. Got questions? Simply text the word Peter to 833-942-4516 and we'll help you. All right, what does calendar time look like? Okay, calendar time right here. I'm going to give you what I call a 90-day reality check, right? It takes 90 days to close a typical commercial or multifamily deal. That's commercial size, right? That's 3 whole months. Okay, that's a long time. Here's what these 90 days are comprised of. You have due diligence, okay, where you're going to order inspections, right? You're going to look at the numbers. You're going to do a lot of research. In commercial, you are given pretty much 30 days to do all that. But guess what? You won't be done within 30 days because something's going to pop up where you need to bring in a roofer. You need to bring in a foundation specialist. You need to bring in this person, and you're going to ask for you're going to request an extension. So this due diligence could go out 45 days. That is completely normal. Okay. Next, you have finance. You got to work on the loan. You're going to work with 4 or 5, 6 different lenders to come up with the best loan terms. And when you do that, there's a lot of work that you're balancing between the due diligence and your financing. Once your financing is approved, they order the appraisal. The appraisal can take 3 to 4 weeks. Easy. Okay. After all this is done, then you have to get with the title company and arrange closing. That can take 2 to 3 weeks by itself. So you can see very easily you can approach 90 days, okay? So just make sure you understand that. So here's the big question. Let's say that you wanted to, let's say it's January today, okay? And you wanted to close by June, okay? What you have to do is get the property under contract by March. Got it? So it's about calendar time and not how many days of the week or hours in a week that you work on this business. It is purely calendar time, contracts, deadlines, due diligence. Okay, all that takes time. So The calendar time is non-negotiable, so get started ASAP. All right, now when I say get started, I'm going to show you next what exactly I want you to begin with. Let's jump into the actual action plan that I want you to do. So actually do this to make progress, okay? That's what it's about. It's not about the hours, okay? It's about the calendar. It's about getting started right now to meet a future goal. So your action plan is about using the time that you actually have. Okay, if you have a half hour during lunch, if you have an hour after work or a couple of hours in the weekend, this is where I want you to start. Okay, all right. So you're going to shift. You're going to shift from how many hours should I put in to what should I be doing? All right. Number one is I want you to get educated. Okay, Commercial Property Advisors is an educational company. You can go on the website, you can take a course, you can watch all of our videos. All right, you can so many things. You can download our book, you can join our mentoring program. So many things you can do to get educated. Do that now, right now. Okay, that's number one. Number two is to build your team. And I'm going to make it really simple for you because you have a lot of commercial real estate industry professionals to hire. I'm going to give you something very simple. All I want you to do is hire a local agent, a property manager, and a lender. That's all you need for right now to get started, okay? Local agent who focuses on the product, the property type you want, okay? A property manager who's local to the area where you will buy, and a lender who's in the same county or state that you're in. That's it for your team just to get started. Okay, you don't need an attorney yet. You don't need a general contractor yet. You just need those three to get started. Do that next. And then number three is to define your criteria. Again, I'm going to make it easy for you. What I want you to do is choose one property type. Is it multifamily? Is it self-storage? Is it mobile home parks? Whatever it is, choose one. Let's say you choose multifamily, okay? After you choose the one property type, choose the one location. The one location is a county, not a city. The cities are too small. Choose an entire county. Get started in the county. All right, so if you are in, let's see, Texas, and you like Dallas, choose Dallas County, okay? I'm not promoting Dallas County, I'm just using it as an example. Dallas County is quite large, okay? So you're going to choose to define your criteria, two things. You're going to choose a property type, one property type, and one location. I'm a big believer in focus, okay? FOCUS means follow one course until successful. Number four is after you've done one, two, and three, is to start searching for deals by calling your agent and looking online what the agent has online. Start analyzing it, create a relationship so they will start sending you deals. It's all about practicing. And then once you start searching, you can start analyzing deals. Okay, so this is where you start if you want to get to the end goal of owning a property. Is not how many hours you put in, is the actions that you take. Get educated, build your team, define your criteria, and then start searching and analyzing. That's where I want you to start. All right, okay, got it? All right, next thing I'm gonna do is share with you one powerful step you can do right now to make massive results. Every successful commercial real estate investor has a mentor. Get mentored by me and my team by applying to be our next protege. Click the top corner. All right, let's start here with the power of a single step. I know those of you that have W-2, you have jobs, you have family, you have business, you have you got to spend time with the family and work, and you're so busy. But the best thing you can do is take the first step. Okay, the first step. And each step that you take builds on each other until you reach your goal. Okay, all right. Now, it can be any step, but I'm going to give you four specific steps if you need them. Okay, number one is perhaps subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, the link will appear for you to subscribe on it. That way, every week we are pushing materials out to you, right? What if you have Tuesday, what if you have your Tuesday evenings free? I am doing a live YouTube channel, YouTube training every Tuesday. Okay, so you can go to our YouTube channel and you can watch it every single week. Go to our website and you could sign up for it to have notifications sent to you. How about that step, right? How about reading my book, right? I have a best-selling book, Commercial Real Estate for Beginners. The link will appear. Download the book. Get the book. Again, a single step is what I want you to take. All right. How about if you take my free course? So I have a course online. It's free. There's no obligations. Absolutely free. Click on it and start reading it. Start going through. It's all videos to watch. Great, great stuff. All right. And ultimately, what if you were to apply to be a protege of mine? I have a mentoring program where I teach people from the East Coast to the West Coast how to become successful commercial and multifamily investors, right? So apply the program. The link will appear on the screen with the ultimate goal of you owning your first property or building your portfolio. Some of you have single family homes that you want to upgrade. Some of you are starting from nothing, and that's okay. The most important thing to reach the top level is to begin taking a one step at a time. Not a lot, just one thing at a time. And I promise you, you will get results. Got it? All right. If you enjoyed this video, do me a favor. Go ahead and click subscribe and we'll push more videos to you. If you want to explore being mentored by myself and my team, a link will appear. Go ahead and apply and hope to see you on the other side. All right. Thank you so much, everyone, for hanging out with me today. And I'll see you at the next video. Would you like to work with me? Every successful commercial real estate investor has a mentor. Learn more about my protege program right here.